Hello everyone, I am Dhanya TN, computer teacher from Reliance Foundation School, Lodhivali. Today I am going to show a game, Flappy Bird game. So here four sprites I have used, one Flappy Bird and then three pipes. So it will move backward and forward. We have to help Flappy Bird to reach the red line. This is the uh, end of the that game. So when the Flappy Bird touches these pipes, then it will show game over. If it reaches the red line, it shows won the game. So this is our program. So let me check first. This is the Flappy Bird code when we video on, enable box, and then hand analyze our hands, and we have to catch that Flappy. We have to help Flappy Bird to reach there. So hand is detecting, and this is the finger position 1828, and then next one is pipes code. This is the pipes, this X position, Y position, and if it is touching, game over. For game over, it will show the game over. This is the duplicate codes of this. We have to only change the X and Y position for this pipe 2 and pipe 3. Now this is the code for the line here. If the sprite is touching Flappy Bird, then video off and give the message you want. So this is our program. Now we can check how it works. So first I'm going to, yes, now I think you can see it. Yes, now the video on. Yes, now I am, yes, now we have to reach. Yes, 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 yes. No, yes. Yes, you won the game, right? Now, once again, I'll show you how the game over happens. Yes. Now, can you see that it's going to touch here? Yes, game over. Okay. So this is our program. Everyone, please try. Thank you so much.